In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula in Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking your budget, organizing your data, or simply crunching some numbers for a personal project, Google Sheets makes it easy to perform complex calculations with just a few clicks. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets website using your preferred web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can access all your documents. Next, you'll want to either open a new spreadsheet or choose an existing one. If you're starting fresh, simply click on the big plus button labeled Blank to start a new spreadsheet. Otherwise, select an existing document from your list of files. For beginners, it's often easiest to follow along by starting with a new, empty spreadsheet. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, click on a cell where you want your formula to appear. A cell is simply one of the boxes in the grid where you can type in data. Selecting a cell will highlight it, indicating that it is active and ready for input. This is where the magic happens. Once you've selected your cell, you're ready to insert a formula. Begin by typing the equal sign, which tells Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula rather than just text. After typing the equals sign, you'll notice a helpful list of available formulas appearing just below. Google Sheets offers a variety of functions, such as sum, average, min, max, and more, to assist you in performing calculations effortlessly. For instance, if you want to add up numbers in a column or a few selected cells, the sum function comes in handy. You can start by typing sum, followed by selecting the cells you wish to add together. Imagine you want to sum the values in cells A1 through A5. You would enter sum A1 A5. Don't forget to close the parentheses and press Enter. Your formula will now execute, and the result will appear in the cell you selected. Congratulations! You've just added a formula in Google Sheets. If you make a mistake or want to correct the formula, simply click back into the cell, modify the contents, and hit Enter again. Google Sheets will automatically recalculate and update your results whenever you change data in the referenced cells or modify the formula. That wraps up our simple guide on adding formulas to Google Sheets. With these fundamental steps, you can now explore and experiment with different functions to suit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy